First, to determine bow placement, ensure the first and last bow are located 30 inches in from end cap face. Then divide space from first to last bow by number of bows left plus 1 to determine position of remaining bows. To mount bows, set bow pocket on top of inside edge of box rail. Use pocket as template to drill holes and secure with self-threading bolts. Repeat for opposite side. Place bow with factory drilled hole into bow pocket. Secure with carriage bolt and EZ-LOC flange nut, leaving finger tight. Place bow extension into opposite bow pocket. Secure with carriage bolt and EZ-LOC flange nut, leaving finger tight. Hold bow up to bow extension and make mark at bow extension collar on bow. Remove bow from bow pocket, then cut at mark. Slide bow extension into trimmed end of bow. Finally, place bow into bow pockets and secure each end with carriage bolt and EZ-LOC flange nut. Repeat for remaining bow locations.